If you haven't been registration table and gotten your wheels, do so now.
I'm stoked to see everybody. Stoked to see everybody out.
What is up, fam? Welcome back to another episode of the Downhill Dummies. I am Rob. I'll be your host for this episode, and we're here at the Knob in Virginia. This is a fun rip. I've been here before. You know the drill. Let's get into it.
I gotta take my shoes up.
You alright, dude? You're good, brother. You're good. Well, I have to say that was a successful first drop. A little hectic. Today's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a great weekend. Jared Lopez, what are you doing?
Yes,
you got
sir.
your spot there.
Spot in the corner for the first left turn at Reddish Knob, November 2024. And so far we got beautiful weather, a lot of people, good vibes and high fives. And yeah, everyone's rocking the same wheels, so
Yeah, I'm on them too.
So everyone's on this, has the same playing field.
I ended up into the bushes with these wheels just like you did. I see that lunch pail. You got let's see that.
Dude,
Is that the lanyard?
it's the lanyard. It's a pretty good lunch bag,
Yeah,
dude.
I have one.
Dude, it's like insulated. Got my drinks, dude. It's a pretty good lunch bag, dude.
Course check.
This is my first time ever having one.
Mitch copies.
Oh, dude. So glad you came out here, man.
Oh yeah.
Do you copy?
What? Oh, hold on. Wait. Shit. Fuck. Copy. Sorry, I was struggling there.
Party Corner Morgan, do you copy?
I interrupted his marshalling duties.
No, you're not distracting.
I'm totally distracted.
You copy? Zane's here. Big Cam at the bottom, can you hear? Can't hear you.
Beautiful day, man. Started off
Are
pretty
we ready to
chilly.
go ahead and clear?
Yeah, dude, I knew it was gonna get warm.
Yeah.
Like,
You're
like-
right in the sun too.
Like
so.
the high 60s, perfect fall weather. Like that's, or mid 60s acceptable. Yeah. It was just gonna be a cold start. That's all.
Yeah.
That's why we got that damn fire going. I'm a little confused here. Are they like
They're dropping free riders first.
first? Okay.
Yeah.
I thought for sure they would do the racers first and then free.
No, some of the free riders are stopping at Party Corner so they can watch the race.
Oh, okay.
And that's actually what I'm headed down to do.
Okay. So how are you?
I've only got one run on them. And they're like, obviously the first run,
Yeah, they're
it's
gonna be
grippy.
chunky and grippy.
Yeah.
Have you gotten down to the meat yet?
Nope.
You're starting to. Yeah, you're basically there. Oh my gosh, this is a stupid light.
It's 6 pounds with snakes
Is that
on
a
it.
meat bike?
No, it's a mids board.
Oh yeah, okay. Alright, go. Well, wait.
I'm gonna wait after this guy.
Yeah, wait.
All right, Jared.
See you around.
See ya. All right, lunch break. Take the camera. Nice. Is it a twist top?
I don't know.
Oh, man. Hey, watch out! This guy's icing people.
Josh.
There we go, let's go. Middle of the day ice.
Dude.
That's nice.
You better ice somebody else. I better not be the only one.
It's coming around.
I was just minding my business over here, doing my skateboard thing. And he's just like, hey Rob, look at your wheels over here. And he put an ice right there. Right there. I spilled some on me. Thank you, Josh. I appreciate it.
Thank you guys for all coming out. Stoked to do the Sucro stock race. All right, in 4th place, we had Will Hart.
Walkie that is, but someone dropped it
In 3rd place, we got Jesse Fabrizio.
Right there.
In 2nd place, we have Emily Frost. And in 1st place, getting the bandit handed to him by the bandit himself. The bandit? Chris Anders.
Hey, get the Sharpie.
Yeah, seriously, thank you guys so much for bearing with me. Thank you everybody for coming out.
Thank you, Zach.
What's the order? Throw up
Yeah, how does this order work out?
No, Will, you're in the wrong place.
Wow, like y'all never been on the podium.
Here's our podium.
All right, cold-blooded.
So yeah, we're gonna keep on doing shuttle drums with. Yeah, we'll do group photo too. But after the group photo, we're gonna do shuttle drums basically the rest of the evening. We're not gonna shut the road down. Everything's gonna be a flagger system. There should be a flagger within eyesight at all times. If there's a car on the road, you'll get a red flag. If skaters are just all over the road, you get a yellow flag. You don't have to necessarily stop if there's a car on the road. Only if you can't, get out of the way of the car. I mean, if you can stay in your lane and travel safely and slow, you're totally good to keep going. So yeah, let's get a group photo and then let's keep on ripping.
Yeah. This is the lobby. Yeah, this is the free lobby. Matchmaking beginning.
Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video for today. We'll be back for tomorrow. I just want to skate and not film and not have to worry about filming. So stay tuned for day 2.
I mean, because I was so pissed off about the Otanis. That flight, oh no. I think it was like a tease, dude. That was so bad. For a moment, I was like, oh my god. We're getting Otani. Definitely could have been. I think it was almost inevitable. He went to the Diners, though, with, like, their market. Like, they got so much money. You're such a... Yeah. I mean, these hot dogs have been a good conversation topic, I've noticed. Hell yeah. Wieners are always good conversation.
Yeah, they are. That's what. So like one day I told my mom.
All right, here we are, day 2. People are packing up, getting ready to go. Everything's kind of moving a little slow today, but we're running on skater time. Day 2, Reddish Knob.
Utter chaos. I like that it's like graffiti.
So I ended up having to change my pants on that last fall there because pretty significant hole. I don't be walking around with that big hole in my pants. So I just put my sweatpants on. It's the only other pair that I have that I don't want to mess up.
That was sick. I didn't know you were right there.
I know he fell in front of you, then like.
Oh yeah, I didn't even see it. I was looking back behind me when he fell, and I turned back forward, and he was right there. And I was like, whoa! Hell yeah. Yeah, Daniel.
You ready?
Yeah.
Make this hectic.
Yeah, that last one got hectic with me. I was like, damn.
Looking like maybe 3 more skip the last one.
I got a cramp.
The U-Haul is pretty much empty.
Still sending it now.
Still sending it.
Everyone drop with traffic, let's go.
I'll grip rod at the boys. Good run.
Hell yeah, gentlemen, it's been
Oh yeah.
Been a knob of a knob.
hell yeah.
Alright guys, we should be good to go. Bonus run.
Drop, guys, drop, 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 drop. Drop, drop.
Glad to see you up. That was rough, okay? Deep breath, man. Glad to see you up. That looked rough.
That was bad.
Yeah.
Where's my puck?
Here, I'll help you find it. It's probably up the road. I think it's up a little bit further. I'll help you find it. It's probably in the...
Well, that was probably the gnarliest smash that I've ever had. That was insane. I went down hard. I'm okay though. I'm just looking for my puck now. I don't know where it went. We'll find it somewhere. It might be on this side because it came off my left hand. All right, fam, this is gonna be a wrap up for today's video. I am the last one here. There's nobody else around. I've spent some time over here looking for my puck. Can't find it. So, you know, you gotta pay your dues somehow, way, shape, or form. With that being said, this is gonna be a wrap for today's video. And as always, stay positive. Keep riding your skateboards and your snowboards. Peace, guys. And right as I was wrapping up this video, I found my puck. Can you find it? It is right there. Let's see if we can find it together. I found it. I found my puck. Yes. Now we can go home. Yay.